Hello friends, today we are going to watch 15 best foods to eat after a morning run. Post-run recovery nutrition. After a morning run, it's important to replenish your body with the right nutrients to support post-run recovery. Here are 15 best foods to eat after a morning run for optimal recovery and nutrition. Protein smoothie. Blend a combination of protein powder, Greek yogurt, fruits, and milk for a refreshing and protein-rich recovery drink. Eggs. They are a great source of high-quality protein and provide essential amino acids for muscle recovery. Enjoy them scrambled, poached, or in an omelette. Whole grain toast. Opt for whole grain bread to provide carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment. Top it with nut butter or avocado for added healthy fats and protein. Quinoa. This nutrient-dense grain is high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Enjoy it as a side dish or add it to salads. Salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Grill or bake it and pair it with vegetables for a well-rounded post-run meal. Greek yogurt. It's high in protein and also provides calcium for bone health. Add some fruits and sprinkle of nuts for additional flavor and nutrients. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, or Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include them in a salad or add to omelets or smoothies. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries are antioxidants rich and provide essential nutrients. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or have them as a snack. Eat potatoes. They are a great source of complex carbohydrates and provide vitamins and minerals. Enjoy them baked or roasted. Chicken breast. Lean chicken breast is a good source of high quality protein. Grill or bake it and pair it with steamed vegetables or whole grains. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or cashews provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Have a handful as a snack or add them to salads and yogurt. Watermelon. This hydrating fruit is rich in water content and provides electrolytes. Enjoy it as a refreshing post-run snack. Bell peppers. They are low in calories and high in vitamin C and A. Add them to salads or have them as a crunchy snack with hummus. In pasta. Choose whole grain pasta for a carbohydrate-rich meal. Pair it with lean proteins like chicken or tofu and add vegetables for a balanced plate. Chocolate milk. It provides carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment and protein for muscle recovery. Opt for low-fat or plant-based option if desired. Remember to listen your body's hunger and fullness cues and choose foods that work well for your individual dietary needs and preferences. It is also important to hydrate adequately by drinking water or electrolyte-rich beverages after your run. Thanks for watching.